Hi everybody, I have a Black Friday haul. So I did get a few things, so I just wanted to show you what I got for Black Friday and including online. And also I have received a few things, so I will show you all that. But first, how are you doing? How was your Black Friday? Did you go shopping? Did you buy anything? Did you totally avoid it? Also, we had a snowstorm this weekend, so we had plenty of snow. So it's officially winter where I live. There's slush everywhere. So pretty much I'm wearing my winter boots, I guess, going forward. Even though when I googled it last night, I think winter is supposed to start on the 21st of December, but to the point that we had to definitely plow this weekend. The deck, the stairs of the deck, the front, you know, everything. So, all right, so I cannot find the top, but from Victoria's Secret, I got this set of pajamas. I will search it and I'll try to put a picture here so you can know how the set looks like, but it's a long sleeve top and then the cute pants. And the reason why I got it is because it has all these like beautiful ski little dolls. I'm just learning how to ski, so if there is a situation where I have to stay at a ski resort next year, I have my pajamas. All right, so then I went to Altered State. So that, oh my god, I was so packed, you guys. So I went to the mall and I just wanted to get, I was planning on getting clothes, but I don't know what it was. I feel like I'm just growing out certain places. And pretty much everything was just like super for young people, younger people. And the coats that I saw and some sweaters have like a lot of flowers, kind of like Love Shack fancy style, and I was tempted. Okay, I was this close of getting a cute pink flowered coat or puffer jacket unnecessarily, but I was like, no, you're an adult, you can't. So I skipped it, whatever. But what I got was this beautiful cute Christmas ornament. It's cute little pink Chanel esque, right, inspired little thing, and it has a cute little heart on the top. Very, very cute, very pretty. And I'm not a huge fan of Chanel bags, but I do like the Barbie Chanel collection back in 1994, I think it is. So this reminds me of that collection. And then I also got these bracelets. They both come together. I just want the silver and gold, this one. And it is stretchy and it didn't look that big, and perfect for my wrist, you guys. Perfect for the watch that I just received, because I got this David German kind of like mixed metal ring, and this is going to be perfect in combination with that, you guys. And yes, I have been on the David German bracelet website, but I don't like any of the bracelets. I'm not a huge bangle person, so I don't like bangles that much, if that makes sense. And plus my wrist is just super thin, so I cannot just buy any bracelet. Oh, here it is. I found the top. Stop it. Okay, so what happened was that I tried it on and then just put it in a different bag, you guys. How cute. So cute. Okay, so here I went to Loft. So it's like Ann Taylor, but Loft. I don't know if it's, I think it's the same thing, but I think. I love a good snowflake moment, and oh my god, it's just so cute. And what I like about it is that it's navy, and it's not like a super like obnoxious color that you're not going to be able to wear that much. So that is that. And yes, I did get it in an X small, and it's just so comfortable. It's not super tight at all. Okay, so I went to Zara, and same thing. I really didn't have a lot of like energy to like carry a lot of stuff or buy large amounts of heavy clothes or anything. And I did see a couple of other coats that I really liked, and I was like, well, you know, the other haul that I just did recently, the last one last week, so I bought like 1 or 2 coats in that haul, so I'm just gonna wait it out until later in December. And I saw this skirt, and it has that beautiful lace on the bottom, And if you want, pause the video so you can copy the product number, ART, on the top. I don't know if I even tried this on. I'm not even sure. Anyway, wish me luck. I thought it was great material. It felt super soft. Just perfect if I decide to do anything fun. I already have backup. So that was it that I got at Zara, because it was not that packed, but it was just like, there was just so many stores that I needed to stop in. Example, I wanted to go to Mango, but Mango is not open yet. It says opening soon, but it's not open. Primark, it's going to open here for the first time. It is set to open next year, 2026. And then I wanted to go to Miniso again, because there's a new one opening up in Mall of America. And when I went, it was closed. It was still under construction. And I wanted to go to Abercrombie and Fitch, but I never found Abercrombie and Fitch. So whatever. And then I went to Aritzia, but then when I got there, there was a huge queue outside. So you had to wait to go in the store. So they were only letting a couple of people go in, which is crazy. Like, what is this, Chanel? Absolutely not. So I just took off and left, honestly. Anyway, I went to H&M and I wanted like a pair of pants. They were like joggers, but they're not adjusted on the ankle on the bottom. But they didn't have my size. They only had a large, but I don't know if I can be able to find it. But I saw this and I decided to get it. So cute, and I love these colors. I love the gold, and I love these two other little nail polishes, red, and I'm excited to wear the glitter as well. So I'm into kind of like the dark nails. So this is like a dark wine color, so it looks black, but it's actually like wine red, very dark. Kind of like Linkin Park After Dark, very similar, but it's an H&M nail polish, because I do love H&M nail polishes. So that's what I'm into at the moment. So that was it for Mall of America, to be honest. I just wasn't feeling it. It was so crowded in comparison to last year. It was just night and day how crowded it was. Anyway, so I left that mall, went to a different one, and then I went to Banana Republic, and I was feeling kind of like the dark, like black clothing vibes. So I got a lot of stuff for work. I feel like this is like the #1 place I go now to find items and clothes for work. I got this pair of pants. So if you saw my other haul for Banana Republic specifically, I got these same pants but in navy color. So now I got them but in black, and it is just very comfortable. It's the pant that is ruched on the back, because they have other ones that are not, but these are the only styles that they have ruched. But also they have some that are kind of like very thin on the bottom. I don't like those. I like the wide leg one. I think it looks better. And so I got this very cute cardigan, and I really like this cardigan. So this was like in a shelf and I almost didn't even see it. They don't have it in any hanger. I did get it in X small. Granted, they had 60% off. I did try it on and it looks just so good, very comfortable. This can be like a size small or medium. Like visually, like it's not even that tight to my body, and it's small. And this is the tag. So you can just write down the item number. So this is a mock neck, and I got it in this color, also in black. This is the item number. Oh, okay, there you go. And it's just so comfortable. This one is a bit see-through, so this one I'll just wear kind of like with a scarf or something. So this is the black version, and I'm definitely wearing this for work. So I don't really like turtlenecks that much. I'm more into mock necks, even though I'm wearing a turtleneck right now, but this is from Quince, so it's very comfortable. It's kind of like very wide, so it doesn't bother me that much. But typically turtlenecks make me feel like I'm gonna choke or something. So I definitely prefer a mock neck, and it's not super adjusted either, so it's very, very comfortable. I did get it in size small, so I did get it in my size, and it was pretty accurate in sizing, and especially around my arms. And I also got this other cardigan. So I have this in a different color, but turns out I don't really wear the other color. That's the item number. And I also have this in a different color, but I decided to get it in black. And this is just so soft. It's really pleasant to wear. Like, if you're the type of person that you have to work like very long hours in the office and you don't like being in the office that much, and you start getting kind of like uncomfortable and itchy, you start walking, you start getting water and then coffee and then tea, kind of like me, then this top is for you. Like, this is pleasant. This top will withstand the long hours you have to be in the office. So yeah, that's the item number. I also got this cute sweater. This is really cute, you guys. Like, on the hanger, it just looked like just a normal sweater, but when I put it on, it's just so very cute, you guys. And it has very cute silver lines, like with glitter. And oh my god, definitely perfect. I did try it on too, and this is in size small. So yeah, size small is just the way to go. It fit perfectly. So that was it as far as like mall purchases go. I did get a couple of things online. So this is from Sabo or Sabo. I thought the face was bigger, to be honest, but it has like that mixed metal look and cute flowers. What an ordeal to get. Also, I ended up getting this treasure chest. This is a makeup treasure chest from Tilbury. I did a short video showing you what comes in each drawer, but pretty much I always wanted my own treasure chest. I always thought I was going to get a bigger version of this, but I think this is quite good and for what I wanted. And I am a huge fan of the stars and the cute moon knobs. How pretty is that? So this comes quite with full-size products, which I was so happy about, you guys, because I just feel like some advent calendars are a total scam, but this is not at all. So it came with a few different things. So this is a setting spray, some drops, skincare. This is a lip cheat, but is it like a travel size, so it's smaller. A cute little travel size lipstick, which I did do swatches on my shorts, so you can watch that. So pretty much a full-size mascara, another cute little lipstick, the Magic Cream, so that is like a smaller size, and also a full-size highlighter, which is the Beauty Wand, which I love and I needed because I ran out. So I'm glad I got that. So this is a full-size Pillow Talk lip cheat. And then this is a cleanser. Yeah, so it's like a hydrating cleanser. And then Pillow Talk lip gloss and an eye pencil, which I have never tried an eye pencil from Tilbury, so I'm very excited to try that out. And oh my god, I'm in love. I'm in love. How cute is this? And it was about time that I got something like this, because growing up, one of my aunts had a giant version of this, and she had all these like Christian Dior original packaging, the gold one, remember? A bunch of those lipsticks, and I was like, oh my god, I want all this stuff. Long story short, many years later, I get my own little treasure chest. Yay. Yeah, I think that is it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.